welcome to the Car Analyst, your trusted destination for deep, realistic, no-nonsense breakdowns of the world's most advanced vehicles. Here, we don't just talk about cars, we analyze them from every angle: design, performance, technology, comfort, safety, and real-world value. If you love future SUVs, luxury engineering, and honest insights, you're exactly where you should be. Make sure you subscribe, because today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the decade. The next generation 2026 Lexus LX-800 has now been officially unveiled, and it represents a major evolution in Lexus' flagship SUV philosophy. This is not a simple facelift or a minor upgrade. Lexus has completely rethought what a full-size luxury SUV should be, in a future shaped by technology, performance, efficiency, and premium comfort. The LX-800 is designed to dominate both city streets and extreme terrains, while delivering a level of refinement that rivals ultra-luxury competitors. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 LX-800 carries a bold and commanding presence. The body is wider, more sculpted, and more aerodynamic than before. Lexus has refined the signature spindle grille into a sharper, more architectural form that blends seamlessly with advanced LED lighting. The headlights feature ultra-thin triple-beam LEDs with adaptive high-beam technology, automatically adjusting to traffic and road conditions. At the rear, a full-width LED taillight bar enhances visibility while giving the SUV a modern, premium identity. Every line on this vehicle serves both style and performance, reducing drag while enhancing road stability. Revolutionizing robotic support also upgrades the power for an infrequent gas. Under the hood, the LX-800 steps into the future with a new high-summit powertrain lineup. Lexus is expected to offer a twin-turbo V6 hybrid system as the flagship configuration, delivering exceptional power while significantly improving fuel efficiency. Early figures suggest well over 450 horsepower combined, with instant torque delivery for effortless acceleration. This SUV may look massive, but it moves with surprising agility thanks to advanced power distribution and intelligent all-wheel drive systems. Multiple drive modes allow the LX-800 to adapt instantly, whether you're cruising on highways, navigating city traffic, or tackling rugged off-road terrain. The suspension system is another major leap forward. Lexus has introduced an adaptive air suspension with real-time terrain scanning. This system automatically adjusts ride height and damping based on road conditions, speed, and driving style. On highways, the SUV lowers itself for better aerodynamics and stability. Off-road, it raises ground clearance to handle rocks, sand, and uneven surfaces with confidence. Combined with electronic locking differentials and enhanced crawl control, the LX-800 remains a true off-road luxury SUV, not just a city cruiser. Back inside, and the 2026 LX-800 delivers an interior experience that feels more like a luxury lounge than a vehicle cabin. Lexus is focused heavily on craftsmanship, technology integration, and passenger comfort. Premium leather, real wood, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting work together to create a calm, sophisticated environment. The front seats are multi-adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, designed for long journeys without fatigue. Rear passengers enjoy limousine-level legroom, reclining seats, independent climate controls, and optional rear entertainment screens. The dashboard is dominated by a next-generation infotainment system featuring a large, high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Lexus has also refined its voice assistant, allowing natural language commands for navigation, climate control, media, and vehicle settings. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable layouts, showing everything from navigation maps to off-road data like pitch, roll, and terrain status. A premium surround sound audio system delivers concert-level sound quality, turning every drive into an immersive experience. Safety and driver assistance are at the core of the LX-800's design. Lexus has equipped this SUV with the most advanced version of its safety suite, including adaptive cruise control with lane centering, predictive emergency braking, blind spot monitoring with active steering intervention, and intersection assistance. The vehicle uses cameras, radar, and sensors to create a 360-degree awareness bubble around the car. Off-road, a multi-terrain camera system allows drivers to see obstacles beneath and around the vehicle, making challenging paths far easier to navigate. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 LX-800 is how it balances technology with reliability. Lexus has engineered this SUV to be advanced without sacrificing durability. The platform uses high-strength materials to reduce weight while increasing rigidity, improving both performance and safety. This approach ensures the LX-800 maintains the long-term reliability reputation that Lexus owners expect, even with its cutting-edge systems. In real-world usage, the LX-800 is designed to be versatile. It's equally comfortable pulling up to a luxury hotel, handling long family road trips, or exploring remote landscapes. Lexus understands that buyers in this segment want one vehicle that does everything without compromise, and the LX-800 delivers exactly that. So what does the 2026 Lexus LX-800 really represent? It's a statement that luxury, performance, and innovation can coexist without sacrificing reliability or capability. This SUV is not chasing trends, it's setting them. For buyers looking for a future-ready, full-size luxury SUV with true off-road DNA and modern technology, the LX-800 stands as one of the strongest contenders on the market. If you enjoyed this deep analysis and want more future SUV breakdowns, comparisons, and honest insights, make sure you subscribe to the Car Analyst, like the video, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new LX-800. More next-generation vehicles are coming soon, and you won't want to miss them.